हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का हमारा ऐसे टॉपिक है पिकॉक। सो ये ऐसे स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग ऐसे ऑन पिकॉक। इंट्रोडक्शन। पिकॉक boasts of immense beauty. It is loved for its blue and green colored body. It turquoise, green, blue and brown color features and its beautiful crest. और पिकॉक फेमस फेमस मीन्स कि वो उसकी ब्यूटी कितनी अच्छी है पिकॉक की। पिकॉक पिकॉक को लोग इतना प्यार इतना पिकॉक देखते हैं ना तो ऐसा लगता है वाव बर्ड। तो ब्लू और ग्रीन कलर है ना उसमें वो उसकी सुंदरता बढ़ाते हैं। ब्लू ग्रीन ब्राउन कलर फीचर्स कैचिंग अ ग्लैम्प्स ऑफ पिकॉक डांसिंग ड्यूरिंग द मानसून सीजन कैन मेक योर डे। वाह, कभी कभार आप लोग अगर पिकॉक को रेनी सीजन में मानसून सीजन में मीन्स डांस करते देख लो, आपका दिन ही बन जाएगा उसी टाइम पे। पिकॉक हैज़ बीन अ सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फॉर पेरेंट्स, पोएट्स एंड अदर आर्टिस्ट। पेरेंट्स नहीं, सॉरी, पेंटर्स के लिए, पोएट्स के लिए एंड अदर आर्टिस्ट सिंस टाइम्स immemorial. Historical reference. Peacock finds many reference in the India history. पिकॉक बहुत सारे हिस्ट्री से जुड़ा हुआ है इंडिया में। Like that, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan especially got this throne crafted in the form of a peacock. The peacock throne has embedded it with numerous jewels that added to its beauty. The Mughal Emperor lost this magnificent throne to the Persian Emperor Nadir Shah in 1739. Hunting was a popular activity during the earlier times, and the kings indulged in the same quite often. However, King Ashoka particularly ensured that people did not hunt down peacock. During his reign, he made killing of peacock an offense. Interestingly, Aurangzeb, who was otherwise known for his cunning nature, also ensured safety of peacock. He put a ban on shooting this beauty bird. During the Gupta period, peacock was recognized as royal bird. गुप्ता पीरियड में पिकॉक को रॉयल बर्ड के नाम से रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया था. Besides numerous paintings, engravings, and pieces of literature in the India have been inspired by peacock. Many invaders were also fascinated by the beauty of peacock. Mythological reference. Peacock has been associated with various Indian gods and goddesses. It is believed that peacock came into being from the features of Garuda. Garuda is a mythical bird that serves as a mount for Lord Vishnu. Peacock is the convenience of god Kartikeya. Kumari Woo is a Kartikeya. Kumari Woo is a form of Shakti, also rides peacock. This beauty bird also serves as conveyance for Vikata, an incarnation of Lord Ganesha. Lord Krishna is seen adoring the beautiful peacock feather in his head. या कृष्ण के जो बालों में, जो हेड में जो पिकॉक मोर पंख लगाया होता है. Peacock has also been associated with god Lakshmi as goddess Saraswati. मीन्स पिकॉक का हर भगवान के साथ कोई ना कोई समझो ना, जैसे कि कार्तिका का वो जो क्या बोलते हैं कॉन्वेंस है. पिकॉक दिस ब्यूटीफुल Goddess Lakshmi is known as the goddess of luck, beauty, prosperity, and goddess Saraswati is known as goddess of wisdom, kindness, and patience. It is said that Lord Indra took refuge under peacock wing when it was unable to defeat Ravana. He then blessed the bird with courage to take on snakes. It is also said that as a result of curse, Lord Indra was transformed into a peacock with thousand eyes. Peacock features are considered scared in the Hindu religion. Peacock feathers are considered sacred into Hindu religion. Peacock feathers at home to bring into good luck and prosperity. Conclusion. Thus, peacock is not only associated with beauty and vibrancy but also holds an important place in the Indian history and mythology, thereby making it all the more special. वो सिर्फ खूबसूरत नहीं है दिखने में, वो हमारी हिस्ट्री से भी जुड़ा हुआ है, वो हमारी माइथोलॉजी से भी जुड़ा हुआ है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. So these was essay on peacock. If you like this essay, please share it and click on like button. If you don't subscribe to my button, so please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon button. Have a nice day. Goodbye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ऐसे में.